Welcome back to Cars Wars Pack. Today, we're diving into Tesla's futuristic beast at the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck X. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's rewriting the rules of what a truck can be. Buckle up as we explore everything that makes the Cybertruck X a game-changer in 2025. The Tesla Cybertruck X isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in electric truck technology. Taking inspiration from the original Cybertruck design, Tesla has amplified everything from power and range to advanced high features. This is Tesla's answer to the future of both utility and luxury, wrapped in one striking package. Let's talk power. The 2025 Cybertruck X brings a quad-motor all-wheel drive system that provides incredible torque and acceleration, capable of doing 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.8 seconds. The quad motors mean that each wheel has its own independent power, giving you insane traction and handling even on the toughest terrains. And, of course, the Cybertruck X has Tesla's signature plaid battery technology, pushing the range up to an impressive 500 miles on a single charge. That's more than enough to handle your longest road trips or off-road adventures without stopping to recharge. Now, let's take a look at that unmistakable design. With its cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton, the Cybertruck X is built to be nearly indestructible. This armor-like shell, combined with Tesla's new unbreakable armor glass, makes this truck tough enough for any challenge. The angular, minimalist design not only sets it apart visually but adds strength and aerodynamics. Plus, the X model introduces a refined front grille and improved lighting that give it a slightly sleeker look without losing that signature Cybertruck edge. Step inside, and you'll find that the Cybertruck X is as advanced on the inside as it is on the outside. The minimalist 12-seater configuration is adjustable for everything from family trips to worksite needs. You also get an ultra-modern 17-inch touchscreen powered by the latest Tesla software, which includes autonomous driving updates, climate control, and entertainment options. And here's where the X truly shines. With Tesla's newest high-driven Autopilot capabilities, it's designed to handle complex driving scenarios autonomously, meaning this truck isn't just about rugged power, it's about smart driving. Thinking about off-road capability, the Cybertruck X has you covered. With adaptive air suspension, the X can raise or lower to handle rough terrain, river crossings, or steep climbs. And with extreme approach and departure angles, it's built for adventure. Tesla has also added a crawl mode and a reinforced underbody to protect the battery pack from rough conditions, while the independent wheel control ensures that each tire responds separately, maximizing grip on unstable ground. A truck is only as good as its utility, and the Cybertruck X excels here. It offers a massive 6.5-foot vault bed with Tesla's innovative roll-top cover for security. The bed includes additional 110 volts and 220 volts power outlets, so you can run power tools directly from the truck. And with 100 cubic feet of lockable storage throughout, you'll have space for all your gear. Now, for the big question: how much will this futuristic machine cost? Tesla has announced that the Cybertruck X will start around $79,000 for the base model, with the fully loaded versions reaching close to $110,000. It's set to hit the market in early 2025, so pre-orders are open, but Tesla fans know they'll need to move fast. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck X the ultimate electric truck? Whether you're looking for a truck for daily use or an off-road warrior, the Cybertruck X seems ready to deliver on every front. Make sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're as excited as we are for the future of electric trucks, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Cars Wars Pack for more in-depth reviews, news, and all things automotive.